what's up, squad, man? You already know it's your boy New AJ back with another video. And as y'all can tell by the title, we about to do this little KFC donut, chicken donut sandwich. Glazed chicken donut sandwich. So I'm about to just hop right into it, man. If you new to this channel, make sure you subscribe right now. Turn on that bell notification right now before we get into this video. And let's get right into this, man. And it came with fries. I got a combo, so it came with like fries, and it came with a drink. And I can tell y'all right now, man, this glaze from the sandwich just got all over the bag, all over my fries. It's dripping.
Little nasty.
Look, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, bro. This shit is dripping everywhere. I'ma just put this bag right here. Alright, and this is the sandwich. The sandwich. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. It look good though. It look a little dry, I'm not even gonna lie. But let's get right into this though. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. Ooh! Look at the glaze just dripping, bro. Tell me. Alright. Take the first bite. Cheers. Oh yeah. This is good. This is good. This is really good. Oh Lord. This sandwich is so good, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. At first I thought it would have been like a bad combination, donut, sweet, chicken. But it's actually really freaking delicious. I'm gonna dip it in this glaze. There's so much glaze in the box, like. This is good. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, man. This sandwich is good. Super delicious. I'm gonna have to detox from fast food after this though. All these calories. But this is good. On a scale from 1 to 10, I give it a. Man, listen, hold up. The sandwich is actually as good as, it's better than what I thought it would be. So, I give it a 9.5. 9.5 on the sandwich. Man. Hold up. Gotta keep the orange juice, you feel me? Excuse me. Nah, this sandwich is dope. It's good. Yeah, this shit. I might be somewhere asleep after this. No cap. No cap. Where you about to go?
I'm gonna head to Taco Bell real quick.
Dang, you should have bought one of these, bro.
Arby's.
So we could have did a review together, bro. This is bang. I ain't gonna lie, this is bang, bro.
Told you, bro. Every time I go back to school, it's one added me.
But yeah, guys, this sandwich, oh my gosh, this shit's so good, bro. I wonder how it's gonna hold in my stomach though. I wonder if I'm. Never mind. I ain't gonna expose that. But the sandwich is pretty good, man. Y'all should go try it out. KFC donut sandwich. Mm. No. Gotta add a dance to this sandwich on me. Make sure y'all wash your hands and stay sanitized too, man. This coronavirus is crazy, bro.
Oh yeah, that's what I was about to get.
This coronavirus or disease or whatever it is, spreading like a wildfire.
I'm about to get one of them hand sanitizers.
Give me one, bro.
The little pocket one.
Give me one.
If I can. I don't know if I can.
Tell your mom to give me one. Look.
Hey mom.
Yeah.
Hey mom.
Stay sanitized. Keep your hands sanitized. Keep your body sanitized for all you funky. For all y'all funky jokesters out there, keep your body sanitized. Get in the shower at least twice a day, please. That coronavirus ain't no joke. It's a real thing. Like, it's everywhere. My throat hurting a little bit. Hopefully I don't got it. I think I don't got it. Probably like a little common cold. But stay blessed. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, man, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you turn on that bell notification and subscribe right now. Like right now, if you haven't done it yet, make sure you turn on that bell notification and subscribe right now. And I got way more videos coming soon. I've been working. I really been working. I've been busy. So I just threw this little video in just to give to you guys and, you know, to keep y'all at the park. And yeah, man, that's it for this video, man. And y'all.